This is Randy Harris, and I am so excited. I'm here with Shayla Fisher, and she is the showroom manager for Denali Home Design Center here in beautiful Topeka, Kansas. And we've got some really cool stuff that we want to tell you about. We're going to have an open house
on April 30th.
April 30th.
Yep, it's going to be from 2 to 5 p.m. And we want people to come check out our showroom. We want you guys to see what we have to offer for the Topeka area.
It's pretty exciting. We've got KB Design Solutions, which we do kitchens and bathrooms. We have granite tops. We have cabinets. We have Kansas Spray Foam Installation. They're part of the group that's up here. They do a really awesome job. We have
Skilled Saws Hardwood Flooring is part of this. They do amazing hardwood floors, new, existing. They re-sand and finish all floors. We have tall grass door and windows. They install all doors types, interior, exterior, all windows. We also have Jan Davis, window fashioned by Jan Davis. She does electronic drapes and curtains. Yes. Yeah. So definitely come check those out. We have Mary Fraze with Next Home Professionals for Realtor. Polaris Home Enterprises. They do fantastic roofing. And then, did you say Kansas Spray Foam?
I did.
Yep.
I did.
Perfect.
Then we have
Electronic Life also is part of it, and they do an awesome job in here. So definitely come check out all the speakers, sound systems, and everything that they offer.
Low voltage wiring for intercoms, all that kind of stuff. Also, we have quite a selection through Skilled Saws for LVT flooring, which is luxury vinyl tile, luxury vinyl plank. They have laminate floors. We have ceramic tile. We have wall tile. We have quite a display for all of that, and also carpet. So we can cover all your home needs.
Yes.
And we're pretty excited about it. Denali Home Design. We will be having workshops also.
Yes, we're going to be doing workshops. A few will include how to properly clean your hardwood floors, the difference between our different types of flooring products, tile, carpet, LVT, LVP, hardwood. And then we'll also be doing like top 10 tips on remodeling your home.
Absolutely. And we've done those in the past, and people really enjoyed them. It's that way you're not going into something blind. You're getting an idea on what you need to do and for planning, budgeting, the whole 9 yards. Also, periodically we're going to have workshops. Some of them will be on the difference between quartz and granite, the different types of sinks that are available, undermount, the apron front, composite, stainless steel, all of those kind of things, and the proper care for all of your components in your home. So anyhow, it's going to be a lot of fun.
Yes, it's going to be lots of fun. So definitely come check us out if you haven't already, and definitely stop by and see us on the open house.
And what's our address?
It is 2335 Northwest Clay Street.
Yes. And
right behind the new Aldi's in North Topeka.
Yeah. Awesome.
Yes.
Very good.
Yes.
Shayla, thank you so much.
Thank you for stopping in today.
It's been fun.
Yes.